Welcome everybody, and today we are going to discuss about how YouTubers earn income and how they are taxed in India and US too. So first thing, how they earn income. Generally they should get actually 4,000 hours of watch time. That means throughout the year people should listen to them for 4,000 hours. All the people in the world together. And then 1,000 subscribers compulsory. If they are able to achieve this within a span of 1 year, and that is floating time, okay, if they are able to achieve it, then Google will verify their every detail, and if everything is okay, ads will be allowed on that YouTube channel, and whatever ad revenue the YouTubers actually uh, earn, that is a taxable income for them. So how it is taxed we'll discuss, but other incomes are also there. Like once you cross 10,000 subscribers, companies will ask you to promote their products through your videos, or maybe in the description you will tell that link is there, click and purchase the product or take the service, right? Or you may sell some merchandise with your brand name, right? These are the ways in which you earn income. Even some people click keep the join button so that people can take membership. Then some YouTubers get money through super chats, right? You would have seen that chat will be with some money. So these are all the different ways. Other than that, you can attend events, for that you will get money. Talk at some event, for that you will get money. There are unlimited ways in which a YouTuber can actually earn the income. YouTube is one platform for building your personal brand, and once you create it, there is no limit for your incomes. Now we understood how we earn income through YouTube. Don't feel it's just a cakewalk, it will happen like that. The difficult thing in the world is to get people's time and people's focus, and that's where you have to put in efforts to get the focus and get the time from the people to actually earn income from YouTube. Now let's understand that the country US, from where the YouTube actually works, how they tax. Now I will not talk about all the other countries in the world, but I'll just simply talk about US tax on Indian YouTubers. Okay, simple. Now it is very clear that there is an agreement between India and US. We call it as DTAA, right? Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement. So accordingly what happens, Indian YouTubers, whatever they earn income through ads in India, it is not taxed in US. But if there are some viewers in USA, they watch your videos, in between they also watch your ads, and through that you earn some income. That portion of income, 15% tax is levied by the US government, and Google is instructed to actually deduct the tax in the name of withholding tax. Suppose you are a YouTuber and in the whole year you earned $11,000. Out of that, $1,000 from US audience and $10,000 from Indian audience. Now 15% tax only on US income. See, $1,000 into 15%, that means $150 will be the tax which Google will deduct, and balance 850 will be paid to you. But whatever you earn the income through Indian audience, US will not tax. Directly that $10,000 will be paid to you. This is actually the US taxation for Indian YouTubers. Now let's go forward and see that suppose you don't fill the US tax forms, right? Once your YouTube channel is monetized, you should actually fill the US taxation related forms. If you don't do so, then what will happen? Then it will not be 15%. Then it would be 24%. And not on that $1,000. It will be on entire $11,000. 24% will be deducted by Google. So if you are a YouTuber earning income, do complete all the formalities so that you pay reasonable fair tax to the US government and unnecessarily don't pay excess tax to them. Right? Now come to Indian taxation. How Indian government tax. Correct? Now let's understand. When we talk about Indian income tax on the YouTuber's income, first ad revenue income we will think of. There is no tax on it. Why, sir? They earn lot of money, right? Yes, they earn lot of money through Google ads, but there is no tax in India on the Google ad income earned by the YouTubers in India, because the payment for the ad revenue is done from Singapore. That means I, as an YouTuber sitting in India, giving some service to a client in Singapore, so we can call it as export of service. And if you are exporting a service, there is no income tax on it. And that's why on the ad revenue earned by YouTubers, there is no income tax. Now what are the other incomes earned? There are many, but I'll restrict it to sponsorship income, because every other income is taxed in the most similar common way, because all other incomes are simply a contract. Correct? Contract between the YouTuber and the client who want to promote their product, sell their product. Correct? So it's simply a type of contract. That's why I will consider all other incomes in one bracket and I call it as sponsorship income. Now how that sponsorship income is taxed? It all depends upon the nature of SSC. Right? It is commonly taxed under PGBP or other sources, because it is not salary, so not taxed under salary, not rent, so not taxed under house property. You are not selling a capital asset, so not capital gains. So where? Only two heads, PGAP or other sources. I'll discuss in detail, don't worry. Now for individuals, what are the slab rates? Up to 2,50,000 nil, 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs 5%, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs 20%, 10 lakhs above 30% tax rate. If it is company, then 30% tax rate, partnership firm 30%. So whatever the nature of SSE, accordingly the rate of taxes will be determined. Okay, and you are all tax students, so you know that if it exceeds the particular limit, surcharge will be there, and compulsorily health and education cess at the rate 4% will be there. Right? These are the taxes. Now when YouTube income is taxed, it also will be clubbed with all other incomes, and then total income chart is prepared, and on that taxes will be calculated. This is what everybody know, and now we are able to see the slab rates. Correct? Okay. If you are a YouTuber, obviously there will be a tax deducted by the companies under section 194C. Right? Under section 194H. So many sections are there. So if they deduct the tax and your income, total income is less than 5 lakhs, then obviously you can get the refund of it by saying that you have 87A rebate. Right? Rebate says that if you are resident individual, because most of the YouTubers are sole proprietor individuals, then they can get the rebate and save tax. So that's why please do compulsorily file the return. Right? If your income is more than 5 lakhs rupees, then also your sales revenue, your money received from the contracts, from that you can deduct the salaries paid to your staff, whatever shooting related expenditure is there. Now many people do vlogs, so for that they have to travel. Right? So like that related expenditures you deduct and calculate income, on that you pay tax as per the respective rates applicable. Now I will tell you which head. So let's try to understand in a slow manner. Let's start. See this guy, Oh, everybody knows him, right? Sandeep Maheshwari. अरे यार क्या समझाऊं. नो एड रेवेन्यू, दिल से पब्लिक के लिए काम करता है, राइट? फॉर दैट पर्पज ही नेवर starts his ad revenue and all, so that's why no ad income, so will not take his example. Next, T series. Oh, the biggest channels in the world, lot of ads come and they have lot of ad revenue. It is a part of their business income, right? That's why for them it is business income, PGBP. Okay, now let's go to the next example to make you understand. With individual examples I'll tell you. You see, famous YouTubers, can you name in the comment box? Yeah, the first guy is, come on, comment fast, Saurav Joshi. Yes, he's a vlogger, continuously vlogs from his house, family members, everybody participates. Now for him, YouTube is a full-time profession. So for him, it is business income, professional income. Now think about the second person, Manoj Muntashir. Teri mitti mein mer jawa. Right? Such wonderful song, thousands of songs he has written for Bollywood and many movies. Even for Bahubali he has written the Hindi dialogues. Such a wonderful lyricist. For him, writing lyrics is the main income. YouTubing is his secondary income. So in that case, it is taxable under income from other sources. For Manoj Muntashir, it is income from other sources. Okay, shall I go to the next story? Yes, so you understood income tax, ad revenue, no income tax because export of service. Clear? Now, GST, let's see. What about GST? Is GST levied on ad revenue? The answer is absolutely no, because export of services is exempt. So that's why no GST also. So whatever YouTube did planning, it is in favor of YouTubers and they are very happy that there is no GST on YouTube ad revenue. Okay, but is it over? There is no ad revenue on YouTube income. There is ad revenue but no GST on revenue. But then you have to register compulsorily, right? Suppose there is sponsorship income. Sponsorship, if it exceeds 20 lakhs rupees in a year, aggregate from all the clients, or affiliate income from all the clients together increases more than 20 lakhs, then you have to register under GST, right? And on that sponsorship income, definitely GST will be levied. Now this is if the sponsorship is within the state. Suppose I am from Telangana and I get sponsorship from companies, organizations in Telangana. So whatever revenue I earn, if it exceeds 20 lakhs, then only I should register under GST and then only I will start paying GST at the rate 18% on the services rendered to them. But if suppose my clients are from Delhi, Mumbai, Haryana, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, then it is called as interstate supply. It is called as what? Interstate supply. Then irrespective of my turnover, whatever I earn from YouTube, from the sponsorships, on that definitely I have to do the registration irrespective of whatever turnover limit I have achieved. So I have to compulsorily register. Great, understood? Wonderful. Suppose if it is between one state to another, then IGST, Integrated Goods and Services Tax. And if it is within one state, that is intra, then it is CGST, Central Goods and Services Tax, SGST, State Goods and Services Tax leviable. So if it is supply within the state and I am getting less than 20 lakhs, no need to register. But more than 20 lakhs, register and start paying GST. Because as a YouTuber, whatever revenue you get is all digital receipts, right, into your bank account. So you can't escape from the government like that. And as a nationalist, as a contributor, we believe in paying tax for the civilized society and well-being of all. So interstate supply, if it is from one state to another, you are rendering some service, some contract, then definitely you should immediately register even if turnover of 20 lakhs is not achieved during the year. And once you register under GST on any supply, any contract, any sponsorship, any affiliate income, any merchandise sale related income, you are bound to pay GST. So on service contracts, what is the rate of GST? 18%. And all other contracts, a slight variation may happen, but 18% is the common rate of GST on the sponsorship contracts with different companies. Right? I hope you enjoyed, understood what are the different ways YouTubers earn income and the ways in which they actually pay the tax. And there is no option except to pay in the right way, in a professional way, by deducting all the expenses, so that you can escape from all the unnecessary penalties and fees which you have to pay if you default. One suggestion to YouTubers, that there is a section called as 44 AD. 44 AD. Try to use this section. You can show less income through this section by filing the returns, and you can save lot of taxes. 44 AD. Right? When you approach your chartered accountant, ask him to file the return under 44 AD and you can save lot of taxes. Okay. Hope you enjoyed. Yeah. If your sales revenue is 1 crore, then your income will be just 6 lakhs, and on that 6 lakhs you will be paying the tax. That's what the benefit of 44 AD is, because your receipts are digital. Correct? But please remember, if your sales are less than 2 crores, then only this section will apply. Okay. So as a student of income tax and GST, I hope you learned a lot, and many YouTubers who are watching this video, I hope you got some clarity. So we'll meet in the next video with such lot of information. So stay connected. Bye everybody.